Hi, welcome to MasterCadx YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss that how to assemble it is a VBlock. So now to go to the standard IM. Next I save the file. The file is VBlock. VBlock assembly. The first we place that it is a VBlock body. So whenever you call the first part, it's automatically it's grounded. You can see this. Now it is a grounded. The next part we call the place that is a U clamp. So now the U clamp is very important how to place this one. So for that one, the easiest method. So first I will do it is, so this will be up to over here. Now you can see the diagram. You can understand that how it is assembled. Okay, so this will be in the bottom. So for that one, you go to the constraint. This is my first one. Apply. Similarly, if I close this one, so it will move like this, up and down. We should not go to the up and down, so that I will have to constrain this face to up to this, means it is slide to this face over here. Apply. So you can see that properly it is a constraint over there. Next, this will be more like this. So I have to constrain some face. So what I will do over here, constrain this face to this one. Okay, this face to up to here, and because it is a constraint over here, so it will move like this only. Okay, so there is a face to face. So now what I'll do over here, so I will take the distance, some distance over here, so that is 2 mm. It is, I give the distance is 0.5. Okay, that is the inches it is over here, and apply. Okay, it is become, it is half, means the distance from this place to up to over here it is become 0.5. Next I will call the part which is the last, it is a fastener, and in a fastener it is easy that it is access to this axis. Apply, and the face of the this one, it will be up to this one. So I will give some gap, it is 0.25. Okay, so this distance gap will be okay. So this is my final assembly of the part. Okay, thank you for watching. In next video we are going to discuss how to